Hi everyone, especially to our dear OFWs just like me. By the way, today I will be showing you on how to send money to the Philippines. And since I'm now in Malaysia, I will be using the currency here, which is Malaysian ringgit to Philippine peso. I will be showing you how to send money from a different currency to Philippine peso, especially to GCash, since maraming gumagamit talaga ng GCash sa Pilipinas. Now, ang famous din na e-wallet dito sa Malaysia is what we call touch and go. So this is just like GCash also. Now, marami kasing mga OFWs na hindi alam kung paano mag-send ng pera from touch and go to GCash. And sa mga hindi pa alam kung paano mag-send from touch and go to GCash, please watch the video as I will show you the step-by-step process. And I'll be very honest with you guys, I really like using touch and go kasi mabilis lang talaga siya, like literally mabilis. It would only take 1 to 2 minutes bago siya dumating sa ating GCash account. So, I really recommend this, especially kung malakihan na pera ang isasend po natin sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! Okay, so first, let's make sure na na-download na po natin yung application na Touch and Go sa Play Store. So, after downloading that, let's go ahead and open the app. So, as you can see there, Face ID, and then, boom. So, this is my Touch and Go account. And first thing to do is you have to click transfer. So, upon clicking transfer, you need to click send money. Yan po, i-click po natin yung send money. Of course, kasi magsisend tayo ng pera. And after that, piliin po natin yung option to send overseas. Okay. And, yan yun. Upon clicking overseas, i-check po natin yan. I have written expressly consent, confirm, and then after that, as you can see there, meron tayong receiver's country. So you can definitely change the country kung hindi para sa Pilipinas and all. But before that, kung hindi pa nakaset up, ang receiver po natin, punta po tayo dun and receiver details, and then let's add our receiver. So kung saan country, of course Philippines, kasi magpapadala tayo sa Pilipinas. And since going to GCash, let's have e-wallet. But as you can see there are 3 options. It's either magpadala ka sa bank, we have here bank transfer, cash pickup, and then e-wallet. So e-wallet po tayo kasi papuntang GCash. Okay? So after selecting e-wallet, ilagay po natin yung details ng ating receiver. So